If you're trying to schedule your YouTube community post, then you landed on the right video because I'm going to share with you step by step exactly how to do that. My name is Rakeem Madison. Let's get into the content. All right, so I'm going to show you how to do this on desktop and on mobile. So that way, no matter where you at, you're going to be able to take care of this. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. So as you can see, I'm on the front page of my YouTube homepage. Now, right here, you see this tab that say community. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Now, you can see I've been quite active when it comes to YouTube community posts, right? Now, another thing to notice is right here where it says schedule, you can see I have 7 posts that are already scheduled. And in this video, I'm gonna post another post so you can see how I do it live, and this is gonna be an actual post, all right? All right, so I'm gonna go back to publish, and then right here in this box, I'm gonna go ahead and paste my question in because I already got it. Now, I know that this is gonna be a text poll, so I'm gonna go ahead and click on text poll. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 more answers because I know I already got 4 answers that are ready to go. Now, over here on my Google Doc, I'm gonna go ahead and grab those answers. I'm gonna go ahead and copy them over here. Boom, we got our first answer. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this one right here. Go ahead and paste this over there as well. I'm gonna grab these last 2 answers and then we're gonna proceed. All right, so boom, we got that one, and we're gonna do other please specify. So that's like if you wanna give people, you know, a chance to actually make their own answer, then that could be beneficial as well, so you can get some engagement as far as comments on your YouTube community post. All right, so boom, we got our question. I got my emoji because that's what I like to use. I don't like to be boring and use the regular question mark. I like for my stuff to kind of stand out. And then sometimes what I'll do is I'll actually put, you know, emojis in here as well so it can, you know, just look different. You know what I mean? So now I got everything that I need. Now at this point, I'm gonna click on these 3 dots and then I'm gonna hit the schedule button. And then right down here, it says choose a date and time to publish this post. Now at this particular point, I wanna make sure that my audience is online, right? So how do I do that? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into the YouTube studio, I'm gonna click on analytics, and then at this point I wanna click on audience, right? So I wanna go down here, and down here where it says when your viewers are on YouTube, I wanna find the best time to really make this happen, right? So I wanna say the post that I already have scheduled, the last one was on the 13th, which I think was a Saturday. So what I wanna do is I wanna look at the best day for, I think it's like the 13th. No, it's gonna be the 14th because I had one scheduled for the 13th. So I'm looking at this and I can see the one that's really lit up is at 12 o'clock. Now I really got to make sure, let me just double check real quick so I can see, I got to spell right. Let me double check just to see when is January 14th, what day exactly. Okay, so it's a Saturday. So at this particular point, I'm gonna go back over here, over here, and then I'm gonna look at it and I'm gonna say, okay, so since we know that it's a Saturday, I could say, okay, the best time for me to actually make this is gonna be at 10 o'clock. So I'm gonna go ahead and go back to the post and we're gonna go to the 14th at 10 o'clock. All right, so boom, we got the 14th, and I'm gonna go ahead and scroll up to the 10 a.m. and then I'm gonna just keep it for my local time. And at this point, we good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on schedule. All right, so now I'm gonna show you how to do this on mobile. So as you can see, I'm already on the YouTube app. All I'm gonna do, you see that plus symbol down there? Go ahead and click on that. And then you can see right here, it says create a post down at the bottom. So I'm gonna click on that. Now, as you can see, I got options. For this one, I'm just gonna use text. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on text. And then you see how we got that clock that's right next to the public. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put our post first. So I'm gonna say test to see you win. And then from here, let's say I wanna make this post. I wanna go ahead and click on that clock. And then right here is very similar to how I showed you when I was showing you on desktop. Now I'm gonna go ahead and adjust the date. Let's say I wanna post this on the 15th. I'm gonna go ahead and click on OK. And then I want my scheduled time. Let's say I don't want it to be 7. Let's say I want it to be 10 a.m. So now at this point, I go ahead and hit OK. And then I'm gonna leave it for my local time. I recommend you leave it for your local time or whatever time you went in your analytics and saw it's gonna be the best for you. And then at that point, you will hit done. Now I'm not gonna hit done because that's gonna take me through the entire process. And obviously I don't wanna make this post on this particular profile. So hopefully this video was helpful for you. And if it was, definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, if you're using polls and you wanna learn how to get more votes on your polls, then go ahead and watch this video next because it's gonna show you step by step exactly how to do that. See you over there.